Rivian and Mercedes-Benz. Now, this is an actual partnership. I thought the last one was. This is a partnership. Rivian and Mercedes-Benz partner up for electric vans. The joint venture will create large EV vans for both automakers. Which Sprinter vans, electric? That's pretty cool. Rivian was already doing some of the Amazon delivery vans, but they weren't really heavily branded outside of the Amazon aspect. We talked in the past about Bezos, his investment in Rivian, right? Connected to them. They will build bespoke large commercial electric vans. The company signed a memorandum of understanding. Listen to that. Will, I would like to sign a memorandum of understanding. You're like, oh God, can we not do that? Sounds terrifying. Yeah. To start a strategic partnership that will invest in a new plant with its target set on using an existing Mercedes-Benz site in Central or Eastern Europe. This marks Rivian's first foothold into the continent. The automaker only has one manufacturing facility in the U.S. There will be two van models, one built on Mercedes-Benz electric architecture platform and the other on Rivian's second-generation electric van platform called Rivian Light Van. Mercedes-Benz has been building commercial vans for more than 2 decades and has manufacturing experience and resources that, combined with Rivian's electric platform expertise, could help the young automaker thrive on its limited resources. Yes, strategic partnership, memorandum of understanding. Mercedes knows how to build vans. They know how to ship them around the world. They know how to do it in Europe. They know how to do it in North America. And Rivian is coming in hot with the electric vehicles. You team up. You're able to, it's a cheat code. You're able to expedite the process. Rivian currently has a contract to build a total of 100,000 electric delivery vans for Amazon. That's already underway. Big upgrades. You got to see a demo of that on a recent episode of this show from current delivery vans. They were talking about air conditioning and all kinds of stuff in there. Better nav and just a comfortable place to be. Well,
they look cool too.
Oh, yeah. Somewhat friendly, which is nice for your delivery van.